Hello guys, are you looking for a 4K drone for 2024? So you've made the right choice. In this video, I unveil the best 4K drones for 2024, redefining videography with stunning 4K clarity and vibrant colors. With advanced stabilization tech, these drones guarantee smooth footage in any environment. From epic scenes to thrilling action shots, they empower filmmakers to create captivating masterpieces. I have selected the top 6 4K drones, and provided links to each product in the description so you can choose the drone of your choice. Your support helps us create great content. If you find this video valuable, then like, subscribe and share. Let's go into the future of air search. Number 6. Beamtech 4K GPS Foldable Drone. Introducing the Speedbird i63e 4K GPS drone, your ticket to the ultimate aerial adventure. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, this drone lets you capture stunning videos and images with unparalleled clarity, deep contrast, and vivid colors. The built-in EIS, electronic image stabilization, ensures your footage remains steady, even at high altitudes. With 5G Wi-Fi transmission, you'll experience seamless, real-time video streaming at 30 frames per second, making every moment unforgettable. This powerful drone can reach altitudes of up to 10,000 feet, letting you explore the skies with a max flight time of 25 minutes. It can also handle winds up to level 4. Plus, with intelligent flight features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and One Key Return, your drone becomes your creative companion. For both hobbyists and professionals, the Speedbird i63e is the ultimate choice, combining 4K camera excellence, GPS intelligence, and thrilling flight performance. Number 5. DJI FPV Combo Goggles V2. Get ready for an exhilarating flight experience with the DJI FPV Combo Goggles V2 plus Fly More kit. It's time to immerse yourself in the thrill of flight with its super-wide 150 degrees FOV and the DJI FPV Goggles V2, offering a real-time view like never before. Capture stunning moments with 4K/60 FPS video recording at up to 120 megabits per second. The brand new S mode brings you dynamic FPV footage effortlessly, combining manual freedom with simplified controls. Safety is a top priority, with features like Smart Return to Home, obstacle sensing, and more. Plus, the OcuSync 3.0 transmission system delivers crystal-clear, low-latency video at distances of up to 6.2 miles. Get ready to elevate your flight game and capture incredible footage with the DJI FPV Combo. Number 4. Boine F7 GPS Camera Drone, 4K Night Vision. Get ready for the ultimate drone experience with the Boine F7 GPS camera drone. FAA certified and ready for takeoff, this drone offers seamless, unhindered flights. Its one-click detachable 4K camera captures breathtaking aerial shots, especially at night, with a 120 degrees FOV lens and a stable 3-axis gimbal with 5x digital zoom. With 3 intelligent batteries, enjoy an incredible 75 minutes of flight time per trip, making it perfect for travel. This drone defies altitude, reaching 2,000 m peaks with ease, thanks to its advanced motor and wind resistance technology. GPS equipped, it never gets lost and automatically returns home when needed. Plus, the Boine app allows effortless sharing on social media and even lets you edit your footage with filters and background music. With a complete package and a 2-year warranty, the Boine F7 drone is your ticket to limitless aerial adventures. Don't miss out on this incredible drone, it's your perfect flying companion for any occasion. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo 4K HDR. Discover the ultimate adventure companion, the DJI Mini 3. This sleek, lightweight drone is an ideal travel partner, whether you're hiking, road tripping, or enjoying a day at the beach. With up to 38 minutes of battery life, it captures stunning 4K HDR video, ensuring superb day and night shots. The vertical shooting feature simplifies long-range photography for social media sharing, and quick shots provide epic shots at your fingertips. Even on windy days, the Mini 3 can handle up to 38 km/h winds. The DJI Mini 3 package includes extra batteries, a 2-way charging hub, and a shoulder bag, ensuring you're ready for adventure. Enhance your flight time with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, and start sharing your extraordinary moments with the world. Number 2. Potensic Atom SE 4K GPS Drone. Meet the Atom SE, the drone that's changing the game. Weighing under 249 g, it's a true lightweight champion. With its 4K EIS camera, you'll capture stunning photos and 4K video with ease. The Surgefly flight control system makes flying a breeze, offering 3 modes for all levels. Plus, the Atom SE comes with two 2,500 mAh batteries for an impressive 62-minute flight time, and it can go up to 16 meters per second in sport mode. The 4 km control range and PixSync 2.0 technology ensure smooth, consistent video, while GPS and multiple flight modes make this drone a must-have. Keep your firmware up to date for the best experience. Compatible with iOS and Android. Don't miss out on this drone wonder. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro 4K HDR Mini Drone. Take your drone adventures to the next level with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Weighing a mere 249 grams, it's registration-free and ready for action. Capture mesmerizing 4K/60 FPS HDR vertical videos and share them instantly. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, it's a safe and easy ride for all, even beginners. Explore endlessly with extended battery life and immerse yourself in real-time aerial views via the 20 km FHD video transmission. Tracking is a breeze thanks to the ActiveTrack 360 degrees feature. Ideal for both newcomers and enthusiasts, the package includes the DJI Mini 4 Pro, DJI RCN2, and a 34-minute flight time battery. Don't miss out on this drone marvel. Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more thrilling content. Your next adventure begins here.